friends, I am Dr. Asha Bakshi from Indore. I welcome you to this clinical question answer series. We all have some queries in our day-to-day practice. I hope this video series will help you solve some of these queries. My today's question is to Dr. Leela Vyas. She has been Vice President FOGSI year 2018, Senior Professor and Unit Head at SMS Medical College, and she has been a very popular teacher. My question to her is, do forceps and ventouse delivery have any role in modern obstetrics? And if so, then please give us tips on optimum use of these instruments at the time of delivery.
Hello, Dr. Asha. Yes, instrumental vaginal delivery has an important place in modern obstetrics. It is important to note that instrumental vaginal delivery services are well accepted and provided worldwide in both comprehensive and basic obstetric care. Forceps and ventouse both are the instruments which have low incidence of significant injury to birth trauma to mother and fetus, provided the technique used to be safe and effective. Use of safe instrumental delivery techniques requires proper clinical assessment, proper communication with the mother, and the provider should be competent to perform the procedure and can manage the complication which can arise anytime. To achieve the best possible outcome in poor obstetrical progress of labor, in some medical and obstetrical conditions where we require shortening of the second stage of labor, the instrumental vaginal delivery practices are the best practice, especially among the low and moderate resource facilities. Sometimes, availability of anesthetists becomes a challenge. That time, a trained obstetrician can perform instrumental vaginal delivery, either forceps or ventouse as per their expertise, to reduce the morbidity. We can't deny with the fact that emergency cesarean section in full dilatation of the cervix, especially with the deeply engaged head, is technically difficult and is associated with the significant injury to both mother and fetus. Vacuum extraction has a complementary role to the forceps delivery. It has been proved with the various studies that ventouse is the procedure of choice. Now there is a question, can the formal teaching and training can improve the use of instrumental delivery? Yes, there are evidences that says instrumental delivery in the expert hands is safe both for mother and fetus, and second point, the adherence to the proper guidance is must. Now it becomes our responsibility to save this art of instrumental delivery among our modern days obstetrician. Hence, there is a need of enhanced teaching and training. In this era of COVID, there is a new indication for this is to cut short the second stage of labor in COVID positive patients. Thank you very much, and be safe and healthy.